Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 3 times x plus 8 equals 17. We will go through the steps together to find the value of x. Let's get started. To begin solving the equation 3x plus 8 equals 17, we need to isolate the variable x. Our goal is to find out what number x must be to make this equation true. First, consider the equation 3x plus 8 equals 17. Here, the variable x is being multiplied by 3 and then increased by 8. To isolate x, we will start by eliminating the constant term on the side of the equation with the variable. The constant term here is 8. To remove 8 from the left side of the equation, we perform the operation of subtraction with 8 on both sides. This is because subtracting 8 from both sides of the equation will cancel out the plus 8 on the left and maintain the balance of the equation. So we take the equation 3x plus 8 equals 17 and subtract 8 from both sides, which results in the new expression 3x plus 8 minus 8 equals 17 minus 8. Simplifying this, 8 minus 8 on the left side cancels out, leaving us with just 3x. On the right side, 17 minus 8 simplifies to 9. So our new simplified equation is now 3x equals 9. Next, to continue solving for x, we need to further isolate the variable x. Currently, we have the equation 3x equals 9. The variable x is being multiplied by 3. To isolate x, we need to perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. To remove the multiplication by 3, we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. This is because dividing by 3 on both sides will cancel out the multiplication by 3 on the left and maintain the balance of the equation. So we take the equation 3x equals 9 and divide both sides by 3. This results in the new expression 3x divided by 3 equals 9 divided by 3. Simplifying this, 3 divided by 3 on the left side equals 1, leaving us with just x. On the right side, 9 divided by 3 simplifies to 3. So, our new simplified equation is now x equals 3. This step completes the problem. We have successfully solved for the variable x, finding that x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.